You can customize many features of the Spelling and Grammar tool. You can view the proofing options for Microsoft Word by clicking the Options button when using the Spelling and Grammar dialog box. If using Word 2013 or 2010, you can access the proofing options by first clicking the File tab within the ribbon and then clicking the Options button. If using Word 2007, you can access these proofing options by clicking the Microsoft Office button and then clicking the Word Options button. If you choose the latter method in any version of Word, you will also need to then select the proofing category from the option list. In the When Correcting Spelling in Microsoft Office Programs section, click the checkboxes next to the displayed options in order to turn them on or off. A check in the box indicates that the option is selected or enabled. Following this section, there are two other sections for options that apply to Word only: When Correcting Spelling and Grammar in Word, and the Exceptions For section. You can check or uncheck the options here to set additional default spelling and grammar options for Word. Notice the Recheck Document button. Normally, Word accepts that you have properly corrected the document once you have finished your spelling check and does not spell check the document twice. If you have checked your current document once but made mistakes with the replacements, then you must reset Word's Spelling and Grammar tool by clicking this button to prompt Word to recheck the document and recheck words that it previously checked but that you chose to ignore. Another useful feature of Microsoft Word is the autocorrect feature. All users mistype or misspell words at some point. There may be words that you seem to mistype frequently. Word provides the autocorrect feature to help you automatically correct common misspellings of words. For example, if you commonly mistype the word the as TEH, autocorrect can automatically replace the misspellings as you type. To view the autocorrect feature, click the Autocorrect Options button at the top of the proofing options shown in the Word Options dialog box. This will bring up the Autocorrect dialog box. Click the Autocorrect tab to set or change the autocorrect options for Word. Here you can add either a plain text or formatted text entry for your autocorrect entry. So if your company's name is always in 16-point Tahoma font and bolded, you can create a formatted entry so that when it is inserted, it will always retain this type of formatting. To create a formatted entry, type the phrase or word in your document as you want it to appear with all of the necessary formatting. Highlight the word or phrase, and then open the autocorrect dialog box. The selection should appear in the With Text box. Click into the Replace text box and type the shortcut entry for the longer phrase. Then click the radio button above the longer entry that says Formatted Text to save it as a formatted text entry. Once it appears the way that you want it to appear, click the Add button. To delete an autocorrect entry from the list shown on the Autocorrect tab, you simply select the entry that you want to delete. Then press the Delete button in the lower right corner. Once you have finished setting your autocorrect options, you can click the OK button to close the dialog box and save your changes. You can then click the OK button in the Word Options dialog box to close and save the default proofing options.